Good morning, children. Welcome to Lakshmi Study Room. Today, our topic is parasitic nutrition in Kaskuta. So, what is parasitic nutrition? Parasitic nutrition means these organisms derive nutrients from the host organism. So, Kaskuta is a plant. Generally, all the plants have shown autotrophic nutrition. But why Kaskuta is a plant, but why it shows parasitic nutrition? Because it is a leafless plant. That means it did not have any leaves. So chlorophyll is also absent. Without chlorophyll, the plants cannot prepare their own food. So that's why Kaskuta shows parasitic nutrition. So Kaskuta is a leafless, twining parasitic plant. So generally, the Kaskuta generally called as a dodder. The genus of the dodder plant is a Kaskuta. Kaskuta belongs to the family is a morning glory, that is Convolvulaceae. So this genus contains about 170 twining species that are widely distributed in temperate and tropical regions. Actually, dodder cannot spread through all the regions itself. It can spread the along with the host plant only. If you see the structure of the dodder plant, so all the plants have a root, stem, leaves, and flowers. Similarly, dodder also have a some of the parts. If you observe actually dodder contains less amount of chlorophyll and other species also there. Cuscuta reflexa has found a very small amount of chlorophyll. So less amount of chlorophyll, that means it is not sufficient to prepare the food for the plant. But how can it get the food? So this dodder plant has a small root like structures that will be called as a hostoria. For example, it was a host plant. Take for this example, and it was a dodder plant. So dodder plant twining around the host plant, and it forms a hostoria root like structures. These hostoria, with the help of hostoria, they can absorb the nutrients and water from the host plant. If you see the structure of the stem, the stem of the Cuscuta plant is a slender and stringe like. Stringe means it has a thread like stem, and color of the stem may be yellow, orange, pink, and brown in color. See in this picture, the color of the stem yellow or light orange, and pink stems are also there. This one is a pink color stems. If you see the flowers are also, some flowers are also, these are also look like a nodules or like a clusters. Cluster means they are arranged in a, some group of flowers are arranged in a one form only. They are arranged in, see, the bunch of flowers are arranged in one. So they look like a bell shaped structure also. See these flowers are in bell shaped structures, and tiny pink color flowers are also, these are bell like flowers, and all the petals will be fused. Fused. Fused means they are mixed up with one and each other. They are pink color flowers are there, and yellow and orange color flowers are also there. And the leaves are, if they see the leaves, so leaves are not present. Their leaves are in very minute and look like a scales. That means small dotted like leaves are there. They are not perform photosynthesis. So the dodder seeds, whenever the dodder seeds germinate, that means the background leaves are there. These leaves are host plants leaves. So whenever this dodder seeds germinates, it forms as a some small root. The root will be called as a anchoring root. So when stem of the dodder plant, it has a slender and spread along the ground, and it will reach that grows and twining in a spiral fashion around the host plant. When then it will forms a small hostoria into the host plant. Then with the help of hostoria, they can absorb the water from xylem tissue. So water from xylem tissue and nutrients from phloem tissue. With that means with the help of Hastoria, the dodder plant absorb the water from xylem tissue and nutrients from the phloem tissue. So whenever it gets the water and nutrients from the host plant, the roots of the dodder plant will be rotten. That means they will be leave out there. That will be destroyed the roots. Then it will spread other branches also. The dodder plant will be spread one branch to other branches also. Whenever it spread the whole branches, after how it look like, the plant look like this in this video. See in this video, initially it will spread the some parts only. After that it will spread the entire plant. Sometimes it may be after growing a few spiral around the one shoot to the other shoot, and dodder finds it another way, and it continues to twine and branches until it resembles a fine densely tangled. That means they will be spread like a net on the tree. So whenever it spreads entire the tree, sometimes the dodder plant will may kill the host plant also, and it will form say seeds and it will be degenerated after some times. So this is the nutrition in parasitic plants. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like my videos and share my videos to your friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you.